World School. So this is my contribution to all of the fathers them out there. I want to say a very special happy Father's Day to you all. You all do have a right to be here, and we are your contribution. So salute to all of the fathers them. Respect every time. You are meaningful to life. All I want you to do is to believe in yourself, continue to believe in yourself, and put in that work for your children. So we need more fathers a step forward and a major contribution in them children's life. You know, be a role model, be an example, stand up for your child that you brought into this world. So happy Father's Day. Salute. This is from World School JA Foundation, and we are here to motivate you, to elevate you, and to innovate you to dimensions greater than your expectation. Salute. Happy Father's Day to all fathers. You are great. You have a right to be here. God bless you all. Bye for now.